What is up, everybody? This is Lyle with No Hippie Barbecue. What I'm be knocking out today is going to be some air fried raspberry chipotle chicken wings. I was inspired to make this by just going through my spice cabinet. I was going through there and I found some original roasted raspberry chipotle sauce that was given to me by my man Thyron at TNT Barbecue when he was out here a while back. I'm going to leave a link to his YouTube channel in the iCard above, run by TNT Barbecue, and check him out. Now, I did a little bit of research on this after tasting it, and this is the same company that makes the raspberry chipotle sauce that you'll find at Costco. It's in a different bottle and branded a little bit different. So if you don't live near Costco, I'm going to leave a link in the description where you could buy this on Amazon. The next product I'm going to be using, and I've been using this stuff quite a bit. As a matter of fact, I'm almost out of this. We're going to be using some honey chipotle seasoning by a company called Sweet Smoky Joe. If you've been watching my videos lately, I've been using their products quite a bit. I'm going to leave a link to where you can get this in the description below as well. Now, one thing I like doing when I make chicken wings in the air fryer is getting them a little lightly coated with some cornstarch. To me, that makes the chicken wings a little bit more crispy as opposed to crunchy, which you would get from flour. But you could use either one. I prefer the cornstarch. So without further ado, let's get whipping these wings up. First thing I'm gonna do is we're just gonna coat them with our raspberry chipotle seasoning. And we're just wanting a good layer coating on it. Now, I left my chicken wings moist for a reason. That's gonna be what our cornstarch kind of adheres to. And if you don't have this raspberry chipotle, just go through your cabinet, see if you have anything. If you don't have anything that you think might be interesting in this, just add salt and pepper. But if you go and buy this raspberry sauce, I'm telling you, you will not be disappointed. So we got those all coated up. Now let's hit it with a little bit of cornstarch. And this is going to absorb that cornstarch pretty good. And I'm using a spoon just to throw on here. Seems like if I just pour it straight from the container, a lot more comes out than what I'm hoping for. You know, let's go just a little bit more. Okay, got those all coated up. Now I'm going to throw them on a wire rack, and they're going to go in the refrigerator for about 35-40 minutes. I just want this coating to kind of dry up just a little bit. It doesn't need to be totally dry. Okay, that's a wrap. See you back in 45 minutes. So our chicken's been in our refrigerator for about 45 minutes. Before we bring that out, what I want to do is preheat our air fryer. And the reason for this is I want the bottom grate on our air fryer to be hot so it doesn't stick when we get our chicken in. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some olive oil spray with this olive oil mister. And you could use Pam or any of those kind of things. Just spray this down. And like I said, the main reason for this is just to keep our chicken from sticking to the grate. I'm going to get this in. We're going to let it go, preheat it, let's say at 375 degrees for about 5 minutes should be enough. When that's done, we'll get our chicken in. Alright guys, got our air fryer preheated. Let's get our wings in. And as you can hear this sizzle when I get them in, that's kind of searing that bottom, keeping it from sticking to the grate while it's cooking. We're going to throw these in at, I'm going to go at 375 degrees. I'm going to set it for 15 minutes. In 15 minutes we'll check it. And at that time we'll know how much longer we need to go until they're done. Alright guys, we are 15 minutes in on this. One thing I did just notice was instead of cooking at the 375 that I was trying to, I was cooking at about 355. So these chicken wings, I mean, they are cooking fine. They're just, I want them to be a little bit more crispy, a little bit more of that fat rendered off. So I'm gonna pump this up to the 375 that I wanted it to be at first of all. And then we're gonna go, I'm gonna check them in another 10 minutes. So we've let these wings go another 10 minutes. Here's what they look like. Let's go ahead and get some sauce on them, see what they taste like. So I've transferred my wings from the air fryer to a bowl. Now all that we need to do is add our sauce, kind of mix it in, and this is a wrap. Definitely crunchy. Okay, I'm gonna plate them up. Okay, I can't wait to get in on these. My family's not home, so I may go through all of these before they get back. Now, I prefer the flats more than the drumsticks, so let's go ahead and get into one of those. You hear that crunch right there? That's some good stuff. Listen, that sauce, go by Costco, get you some. Man, last time I really remember having that sauce was like in the early 2000s. I'd almost forgot about it. This stuff is good to go. Went perfect with these wings. Anyway, hey, I'd like to thank you guys for stopping by No Hippie Barbecue. I do appreciate it. Comment, subscribe, and if you see me on the road, say what's up. I'm out.